First is primer. It helps to create a smooth base for your dancer's makeup. You want to rub it all around your dancer's face and into their hairline so it is evenly distributed. Next is foundation. You're going to want to make sure that you match your dancer's foundation to their skin tone. Then you're going to blend it all around your dancer's face and make sure it is laid evenly. You're going to blend into the hairline as well as into the ears and into their jawline. Next is concealer for your older dancers. You're going to want to apply it to underneath your dancer's eyes and then blend it in. Once you have the foundation on, you're going to want to add a bit of loose powder to help hold and set the makeup. You're going to want to apply in circular motions. Next is eyeshadow, and you're going to want to go with a more lighter color and apply it all around the eyelid and up to the eyebrows and the corners. Then you're going to take your second lightest color and do the eyelids all the way from one corner to the other. Then repeat on the other side. Do the third darkest color, and you want to do the creases of your dancer's eyes. You're going to do your final darkest color, and it goes from the corners of the eyes to the bit of the eyelids. A reminder that your dancer's makeup should not look like your normal day-to-day makeup, because then they will look washed out on stage. Then you can use one of your makeup brushes to blend all the colors together. Then you can add more loose powder to help hold and set the eyeshadow. After that, you can touch up underneath your dancer's eyes. Next, we will be doing fake eyelashes. You can either do glued on or magnetic. I will be showing you how to do magnetic eyelashes. You're going to apply the eyeliner evenly starting from the inside and working up. You're going to do both sides and then wait for it to dry. As you wait for that to dry, you can do eyebrows. It gives a little pop of color and so that you can see them under the bright stage lights. Next, you're going to do blush. It's going to go along your dancer's cheekbones. I suggest starting with the smaller brush to get the color first, then using a bigger brush to blend it out. I suggest telling your younger dancer to have a fish face so it's easier to see their cheekbones. Then you're going to apply your eyelashes. You're going to apply them to on top of the eyeliner. I suggest using a makeup brush to push them down so that they stick. Next is a lip liner. You're going to follow your dancer's natural lip line. Then you can apply the lipstick. A Q-tip is always helpful to clean up if you smudge or mess anything up. The last step is setting spray. This is to make your dancer's makeup long-lasting. A few reminders is that to make sure your dancer's hair is done before starting makeup and that they're wearing something that fits over their head. And don't forget, stage makeup takes practice.